Today, we learn about another homeopathic remedy, Ethusa cynapium. Its common name is fool's parsley. The characteristic symptoms of this remedy related mainly to the brain and nervous system, connected with gastrointestinal disturbance. This remedy shows anguish, crying, and expression of uneasiness and discontent. Lead to this remedy most frequently in disease in children during dentation, summer complaints. With the diarrhea, there is a marked inability to digest milk and poor circulation. Symptoms set in with violence. Particulars of this remedy start with mind. Mind is restless, anxious, and crying. He sees rats, dog, cat, etc. running across the room. He is unable to think, to fix the attention. Brain fag, idiocy may alternate with furor and irritability. Head feels bound up or in a vice. Occipital pain extending down the spine. Feels better by lying down and by the pressure. Head symptoms relieved by expelling flatus and by stool. Hairs feels pulled up. Vertigo with drowsiness with palpitation. Head feels hot after vertigo ceases. Eyes. It shows photophobia, swelling of meibomian glands, rolling of eyes on falling asleep, eyes drawn downward, pupils become dilated. Ears. It feels obstructed, sense of something hot from ears, hissing sound. Nose. Stop up with much thick mucus. Herpetic eruption on tip of nose, frequent ineffectual desire to sneeze. Face is puffed, red spotted, collapsed, expression anxious, full of pain, linea nasalis marked. Mouth dry, active, tongue seems too long, burning and pustules in throat with difficult swallowing. Stomach intolerance of milk, vomiting as soon as swallowed or in enlarged curd. Hungry after vomiting. Regurgitation of food about an hour after eating. Violent vomiting of a bite through the matter. Nausea at sight of food. Painful contraction of stomach, vomiting with sweat and great weakness, accompanied by anguish and distress, followed by sleepiness. Stomach feels turned upside down with burning feeling up to the chest, tearing pain in the stomach extending to the esophagus. Abdomen. Cold, internal and external, with aching pain in bowels, colic followed by vomiting, vertigo and weakness. Tense, inflated and sensitive, bubbling sensation around the navel. Stool. Stool contain undigested, thin, greenish, preceded by colic with tenesmus and followed by exhaustion and drowsiness. Cholera infantum, child cold, clammy, stupid with staring eyes and dilated pupils, obstinate constipation, feels as if all the bowel action is lost, choleric affection in old age. Urinary system shows cutting pain in bladder with frequent urging, pain in kidney. Female reproductive system shows lacinating pain in sexual organs. Pimples, itching when warm and menses are watery. Swelling of mammary gland with lacinating pains. Respiratory system difficult, oppressed, anxious respiration, crampy constriction, suffering render patient speechless. Heart. Violent palpitation with vertigo, headache and restlessness. Pulse rapid, hard and small. Back and extremities. Want of power to stand up or hold head up. Back feels as if in a vice, aching in small of bed. Weakness of lower extremities. Fingers and thumbs clenched, numbness of hand and feet. Violent spasms, squinting of eyes downward. Skin. Excoriation of thighs, invoking. Easy perspiration. Surface of body cold and covered with clammy sweat. Lymphatic glands swollen. Itching eruption around the joints. Skin of hand dry and shrunken. Ecchymosis and anasarca. Fever. Great heat, no thirst, profuse, cold sweat must be covered during sweat. Sleep is disturbed by violent startings, cold perspiration, dozing after vomiting or stool. Child is so exhausted it falls asleep at once. Modalities: in between 3 to 4 am and in evening, warm and summer, better in open air and in company.